video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can make $150 a day leveraging LinkedIn. If you're an affiliate marketer, you're an online marketer, or you are even looking for a different way to start making money online, make sure to stick around with me up to the end of this video, because I am going to be sharing with you a hidden technique, a hidden strategy that I personally am using. I've been using it, and most of the people, the good thing about these guys is most of the people are really not using this technique, which is the untapped gold mine of LinkedIn. So stick with me up to the end, and always remember to hit that subscription button below. Always remember to hit that notification so that you may get updated on each and every video, each and every series that I'm going to be making. So without wasting any time, let me jump straight into my laptop and let me show you the exact steps that you're supposed to take to start making $150 plus from LinkedIn, and this is 100% organically. Let's dive into my laptop. Great. So secret strategy to make $150 a day on LinkedIn. What do you really need? If you're an affiliate marketer, if you're a network marketer, or you're looking for a way to make money online, you need two things only, and this is traffic and an offer. You need a traffic source and an offer. And what's happening is most of the business owners, affiliate marketers, people who are looking to make money online, they have offers, but they are lacking strategies that will help them understand and know how they can start making money online. They're lacking actually ways to generate traffic, ways to bring people on board. So how to set up in this video, the reason why I want you to stick around with me, I'll be showing you how to set up an attention grabbing profile and make sales on autopilot using LinkedIn organically. This is organically 100%. And also at the end of the video, I'm going to be giving you a free bonus, which is the Cracking the LinkedIn Code. This is a free ebook that I'm going to be sharing with you that will really help you understand and help you out to crack the LinkedIn code and make the LinkedIn algorithm work for you. So all you want to do is stay up to the end to get this free copy of the Cracking the LinkedIn Code. So without wasting time, let me just jump direct into LinkedIn, and I will really want first to show you some of the results that I'm getting. So here's my LinkedIn account, right? Here's my LinkedIn account. And hey, if you don't have a LinkedIn account, all you just need to do is just come to Google. Let me show you what you're supposed to do. Come to Google and type LinkedIn, then type LinkedIn sign up, right? LinkedIn sign up. The moment you click LinkedIn sign up, you will get this join now LinkedIn. Click the join now. It is a very simple and easy system. It is a very simple and easy strategy. All just for me, I'm already registered, so it will just sign me in directly. But for you, you'll just need to fill in your name, your phone number, your email address, and some few details that LinkedIn will be asking you so that you may be able to get in. So what are the first things that you're supposed to be doing? And let me show you the best thing about LinkedIn and how you can really leverage it. So first things first, let me show you some results that I've been able to watch to get from LinkedIn. So I want you to take a look at this. This is my dashboard, and you'll be having a dashboard like this on LinkedIn. You can see people who have viewed my profile today. We have 204 people who have viewed my profile. On the video I posted, we have 56 people who have viewed the video, and here is where everything actually changes. I've had 42 such appearances, and this is based on how LinkedIn search engine optimization works. So I've been able to be exposed to 42 such, let's say for example, if it's a keyword of how to make money online, and then a keyword of network marketing, another keyword of affiliate marketing, another keyword of digital marketing, I've been able to be seen in 42 such appearances. So that's an amazing thing. And let me show you another proof. When I get into my email address, let me just get into my email address here. Let me show you some leads that I've been able to I want to show you some proof here so that you may understand that this is a strategy that is working 100%. And if you start implementing and using this strategy right now, you'll start seeing results in your business immediately. So I want to show you how many leads I get I don't like hiding anything here on my email. This is my business email. So I want to show you how many leads I get. I've been able to get from LinkedIn 100%, and this is a little bit a combination of, because I usually use two strategies, whereby I usually use LinkedIn and actually bring together with Facebook. But this one, when you use this strategy, you'll be able to actually leverage LinkedIn. So you can see, this is, you've got a lead, 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 and I want to prove for you that this is from LinkedIn. These are people who are downloading my free ebooks. All right, so you can see you have a lead for 4 steps to power prospecting. That's a free ebook that I was giving out. Then you can see, let's see, someone who has downloaded cracking the LinkedIn code. This is, you have a lead for mastering conversations that close. Let's see, someone, I want to see secrets product selling formula. So all these leads are from LinkedIn, and I'm going to be sharing with you how you am able to really generate these leads on autopilot 100% on LinkedIn. So first things first, you want to do when you come on LinkedIn is really position yourself as an authority, as someone who really understands what he is doing. So the first thing is actually setting up your cover photo on LinkedIn. It really matters a lot, because it gives people on LinkedIn first impression. Because I want you to really understand this, on LinkedIn, people are always on LinkedIn to do business. All right, and the moment they're coming on LinkedIn to do business, they have that already business mentality. So they are looking to qualify and justify your profile if it's a profile that is worth to be followed. Then after that, what you want to do is you want to build curiosity, and when building curiosity, you are also trying to drive these people towards your offer. So here's the deal, don't get confused. Let me show you the exact steps on how I really use it. So I usually try very much to make my cover photo as simple as possible, and this is actually this actually brings out curiosity. So for example, you can see this is just my brand name, which is my digital marketing agency name, D&M Marketing. Pure. When I talk about D&M Marketing, if this is a business owner, they already know, wow, this is someone who is dealing with digital marketing. Then the other part I usually see most of the people really going wrong is on their profile photo. They really don't create an amazing looking profile photo. So you really want to look professional. It's all about professionalism when it comes on LinkedIn. So what you want to do is you want to make sure that you have a good, amazing professional photo like this one here. Then now we come to this part here, which is the profile description section, which is the most important part, guys, when it comes to LinkedIn. So let's take a look at how I've been able to really set up my LinkedIn. And hey, I want you to remind you something, that this will be a series of videos on how you can really use LinkedIn and start making money online. So make sure to subscribe and hit that subscription below. And if you're getting value already from this video, let me know by commenting below. Value. I'm getting value. So a quick advice on your side is make sure to really follow the sequences of the videos that I'll be shooting on this playlist. It's known as how to make money using LinkedIn online. All right, so I'll be having different videos, because I cannot like show you the whole strategies and techniques in just 1 minute in just one video. It will really take a lot of time. So after this video, after I shoot this video, this will be setting up the description section. The next video, I'll be showing you how you can use the about section. The next video, I'll be showing you how to use the experience section. So it will be a series of videos until you master LinkedIn and really understand how you can be able to really make $100, $200, $300, $400 in a day using organic traffic, which is LinkedIn. And I want to tell you for sure, most of the people really don't understand how to use LinkedIn. So this is the best part. It is new to the market. People really don't understand LinkedIn marketing. So let's get into the first profile description section. What should you put here? Okay, so first of all, on my side, when you click on the edit section, here definitely you want to put your first name here, and please make sure that you use your real name. Okay, I usually see people using fake names here, so make sure to use your real name. So his first name Dennis, last name Mwabu, and then here you can also record your audio recording, right? You can also record how your name is pronounced. Then there is an headline here. An headline, it's supposed to be very simple and easy. And let me give you a tip here. If you're an affiliate marketer, if you're a network marketer, if you're looking to make money online, on the headline, you just want to put something that is very simple, that will make people who are coming to take a look at your profile relate with you as an authority. All right. So, for example, you can see I've written here Chief Executive Officer at D&M Marketing. So, for example, if you have your brand name, for example, if you have your brand name, for example, if I didn't have D&M Marketing, what I'll put here is I'll just put like Chief Executive Officer at Dennis Mwabu is marketing, something like that. Or you can just put like digital marketer, for example, digital marketer as digital marketer as a topic there. For if you put digital marketer, what you'll be doing is most of the people will be looking for digital marketers. They're the ones who will be reaching out to you. Okay, or you can put there as strategic and brand man, and strategic and sales manager, something like that, right? Just a very, very, very simple topic. And hey, if you download the cracking the LinkedIn code ebook, it will really give you the exact wordings that you can actually come and put here for yourself. So here's the thing. After that, you want to put your position, right? You want to put your position. Also, the LinkedIn not LinkedIn Power Prospecting, but cracking the LinkedIn code ebook that I'm giving you. Stick around with me up to the end of the video so that I may share with you where you can exactly download that free ebook. It really gives you the exact things on how you can really set it up here. So you want to make sure that this section is really set up very, very well so that it may be able to really help LinkedIn. There's something that you call as the SSI on LinkedIn. It will really help you out rank in the LinkedIn searches. So after you're done with setting up your description, this is your first description that you've set up. It will really look like mine here. Chief Executive Officer at D&M Marketing, where location, Nairobi, Kenya, 500 plus connections. So LinkedIn, what happens is if you get 500 plus 1 connections, it adds here 500 plus connections. So what you'll do is right now, if you've opened a new LinkedIn account, you'll be having 0 connections. So on this video series, at the end, I'll be sharing with you how exactly you can build your connections who are very highly targeted people who are interested in either making money online, they're interested in your affiliate marketing products, or they are interested in actually your network marketing business if you're in the network marketing space. So that's the first section that we will be talking about. And as an assignment, I really don't want to go and do a very, very long video. All I want you to do right now is go and download the free bonus ebook that I'm giving you out, and here's where you'll get this ebook. All right, what you want to do is you just want to come on my YouTube channel here. All right, come on my YouTube channel. Let me show you on my YouTube channel, and let me show you where you can get the link to download the free ebook. Okay, you can see I'm really shooting a lot of videos here on how to make money online. So what you want to do is you want to come and click on the description. On the description below, you'll be able to see a description. Okay, on the description there is a link that will be here, and it will be saying grab your free ebook of cracking the LinkedIn code. The moment you click on it, it will send you to a similar page like this. Okay, let me show you. It will send you to a similar page like this, and all you just need to do is you'll just click the button and you'll get instant access to your free ebook. So after you've filled in your email and name, what you want to do is go now directly to your email and check your free ebook and really now do. That's the first assignment. Assignment 1, set up your cover photo. Assignment 2, set up your good profile. Then assignment 3 is now setting up the first description of your profile. And hey, join me tomorrow on the next video, and if you'll be watching this as a replay, make sure to watch the next video where now I'm showing you how exactly you can set up the about section so that you may be able to really attract your ideal client and start making money online with organic leads on LinkedIn. Have a good time. Let's meet on the next video. Be blessed.